I will be discussing some more problems on time complexity. Here, if we consider I value and j value, here we are getting I values are from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on n times. And here my j value I am getting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on m times. So here the loop is running from 0 to n times and 0 to m times. So we can say that the time complexity for this is big O of n plus m. So the time complexity for this code is big O of m plus n. So the time complexity is big O of m plus m for this code. And I am taking the other example, other pseudocode. Here I am taking for int I is equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. And inside for loop, I am taking the j loop. Int j is equal to I, j less than n, j plus plus. If we see this code, I am initializing I value at j. So we need to see what happens. So this is the I iterations. This is the j iterations. So if I is equal to 0, then the iterations for j is 5. If we consider n value as 5, then j iterations will be 5. If I take I iterations 1, then the j iterations will be 4. If I take I iterations as 2, the j iterations will be 3. If I take I iterations as 3, the j iterations will be 4. J iterations will be 2. And so on 1. So from this, we can write the formula as n minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 2 plus and so on plus 1. This will be the answer for this. This will be the relation for this. And if we give the formula for this, then n into n plus 1 by 2 will be the formula for this expression. So here n into n will be the big O of n square, big O of n square. So we take the larger power, right? We take the larger power or larger cube or larger thing, anything in the expression, so that we are getting the big O of n square is the larger power. So this is the time complexity for this pseudocode. And I am taking other pseudocode. Here I am taking other pseudocode. So from this pseudocode, we need to calculate the time complexity. We need to check I iterations, what are happening. So here n value will be, I am taking n is equal to 5. Then I value is 5. I value is equal to 5. So here 5 greater than 0. 5 greater than 0. 5 greater than 0. It is true. So that here we get one iteration. After that, we are calculating a plus is equal to 2. Here a plus is equal to I. So a value becomes 0. And I by is equal to 2. It means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 2. 5 by 2 is equal to 2. 5 by 2 we are performing here. I is equal to 5 by 2. Sorry. I is equal to 5 by 2. Then the I value becomes 2.5. It means approximately 2. So after that, the I value is equal to 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Though, so we get the answer as well. So the output will be 1. After that, I iteration is equal to 1 by 2. Here we get 0.5. 0.5. Approximately it relates to 0. So that here there is no time, there is only 3 iterations are performing. So here only 3 iterations are going to perform by this pseudocode. So here for each iteration, n value becomes by 2 times. N value becomes by 2 times. So that we can write this as big O of login. Big O of login. Big O. In this pseudocode, we are getting the I iterations. We need to calculate the I iterations and J iterations. So here at first I is equal to 0. After that 1, after that 2, after that 3, 4, 5, and so on n times. It is running up to n times. So the time complexity for I iterations is n times. So for j iterations, at first j is equal to n. I am considering n value as 5, n value as 5. So that n value as 6, I consider n value as 6. So that we will be getting at first 5, after that 4, after that 3, after that 2, after that 1, after that 0. It means after that we are getting from 6 to, sorry, here I am taking from 5 to, here I need to take 6 because I am considering the n value as 6, so that it starts from 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It means when I is equal to 0, 6 iterations takes place in j iteration. When I is equal to 1, then only 5 iterations it takes place. When I is equal to 3, I is equal to 2, then it takes only 4 iterations. When I is equal to 4, then it takes 3 iterations. So from this we can say that here we are getting the iterations n minus 1 plus, n minus 2 plus, and so on plus 1. So the formula for this is n into n plus 1 by 2. So n into n square. N into n will be n square. N square by 2 plus n by 2. So here we are taking the big order. It means from this equation, from this quadratic equation, we are taking the high power. The power 2 is the high power for the n. So that we are considering big O of n square is the time complexity for this pseudocode. Big O of n square is the time complexity.